Say hello. Say hello. Hi Fabs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And yes, the vacation's still in full swing. As you guys know, it's our final week and we're out and about as usual. We're on the road. Baby's just showing me a donkey across the street, but I couldn't catch it for you guys. We are actually doing final out and about because it's our final week. So today I am actually going to see one of my cousins that really wanted to see Tyler, and I'm going to see another one of my girlfriends, my bestie, that I haven't seen since I'm here. So I should be seeing her today, and then later on in the evening I should be having dinner with the other two besties, Elaine and Sikri. Babe, this is the donut I'm telling you about that is yummy that I want. You saw it?
No, I
the guy
with
he have pink and white box in his hand. That's the donut I always talk about. So hopefully I can get it before I go up. Yeah, you guys, so I'm going to have dinner with the girls later this afternoon, so that should be awesome. So it's a full day of outing, it's a full day of fun as usual. It's vacation, so we're doing what we do. So yeah, Tyler is here, being Tyler as usual. So we're actually hurrying right now to try and see if I can catch my cousin to go have lunch with her. Hopefully I'll reach her in time for lunch because she's actually at work. She's actually one of my eldest cousin. Her son is actually the one who is driving us right now, and you guys have met him in the previous vlog. Trevor is there driving, baby's in the front. So yeah, you guys, we're actually heading in Kingston from Spanish Town right now, so we'll catch up with you guys as soon as I reach my cousin. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression today. My cousin gave me this one. He said calm down. Calm down simply means to calm down, to relax. So that's the Jamaican expression today, coming straight from my cousin. So there you have it, guys. Babe, say it.
calm down.
Not down, down.
Down.
Say it again.
Calm down.
Yes, honey. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression coming from Babe. Hey guys, I'm actually at my cousin's workplace, and we just got here, and I actually stopped at one of my super favorite restaurants that have been stalking this guy on Instagram since forever. Tyler, what are you doing now? Look at him, being naughty. Why are you being naughty? Blue. Oh, you see the blue car? You saw a blue car out there. Blue. Oh, you know it's blue. Oh, you know it's blue. So yeah, we stopped at the restaurant and I got to meet Andre. It was really nice meeting him. So I'm about to indulge in the food right now. So this is my cousin right here. That's Caroline, one of my oldest cousin, by the way. One of the biggest one. So there she is, trying to tame Tyler, but it's not happening. So we're actually going to have lunch now, and we'll catch up with you guys later. So I had sweet and sour chicken because I went there late, so most things were already gone. And this is my food. Thank you.
Trevor, it's good?
So good. The truth, and him bad. I heard that his desserts are the best. Come, and it is really good. So if you guys want to know where this restaurant is, it's 218 on Mountain View Avenue, and trust me, you won't be disappointed because the food is really good. And I'm about to just mash up this sweet and sour right now. And baby's just stealing my food. Look at him. And so is Tyler. No, no baby. Come, come, come. lunch was so good. I ended up having the fried chicken because of course, you know, babe with his French self cannot eat without knife and fork, so it was best for him because of the bone. It was best for him to have the sweet and sour, but I tasted the sweet and sour and it was just as good as the fried chicken. So I finished eating and it was so good. You guys have to visit this restaurant if you're within the Mountain View Hertfordshire area. It's just down Mountain View Avenue, number 218. Good job, Sir Swell. Keep it up. Food is on point, just like I expected. And you guys can also go ahead and follow him on Instagram. I'll put his link down below in the description box where you guys can find him on Instagram. So yeah, babe is actually gone on the road with my cousin. They're going to fix the car tire because while we were coming, the car tire got damaged, so you had to change the car tire. So yeah, that's what's up right now. I'm just spending some time with my cousin. Tyler is off with her somewhere around the place, so we're just here chilling. I left my cousin's house and my cousin workplace, and we're now actually at my bestie boo's house, and I get to see my goddaughter. Come here. This is my gorgeous girl. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
Jazara.
Hey, there you have it. So that's my goddaughter. I have two goddaughters. I don't think you guys met the first one that I met, that I saw since I came, but this is Jazara, my baby girl, and that's my bestie boo right there. She camera shy. You see her? This girl. How long we've been friends?
From what?
From catering school.
From catering school, that's about 2007, 6, 7.
I leave high school 2006. So it's
Yeah,
late 2006. Yeah. So that's how much years?
2006 till now.
10.
Shit, I'm sorry.
11,
I'm sorry.
yeah.
I'm old.
You guys, we've been
I'm
friends for
old.
10 years. We've been holding it down. This girl right here.
I feel old. You
She's
just said
30
years.
and
Oh
looking
my
this
God.
fine. Hello, honey. And my goddaughter is her daughter.
Oh Lord.
So,
I'll be 31 June. Oh my gosh.
so we're actually at her house, and she have a huge backyard. So Tyler is having a blast right now. So you finally meet Tyler. You can't leave her from my kiss. Him holding on to the line.
There you go. What do you say? In the blood already?
She's been dying to meet Tyler. Hey, auntie finally meet ya?
So you,
Mm?
so you're the one to take care of the yam?
Go play with him.
You're
Go.
the one to take care of the yam?
No.
No.
No, mommy have a garden that come once. I had one that came every 2 weeks, but never been the same. So this one that she has now comes every just one day for the month.
Yes, baby. Whoa.
So
Mama.
A proper English.
Don't get up. Have your bottle.
I
Good boy.
because we grew up speaking proper English. Uh-oh, seat here.
You do?
You're welcome. Come.
Come.
So let's see who you guys have met. As you guys know, I have 5 close female friends. You guys met Elaine. You guys met Sigri. Today you guys met Shade. So you guys haven't met Shanil and Salsia. You guys won't meet Salsia because Salsia is in the USA. Tyler. But you guys will meet Shanil in a few days. So yeah, you guys are meeting everybody as time goes by. We're actually heading to dinner with Elaine and Sigrid in a bit, in about an hour or so. Come, Tyler, look. I sure did catch that. You were blind to the line? You were blind to the line? Oh my god, you're a mess. What is wrong with you now? What happened? What is wrong with you now? You know, exactly the same thing.
He's had it for a while though, but I didn't know.
Yeah, that's what it,
So it was really bad.
That is
You have the right to give the same car that someone gave you.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can.
They're here playing game and Tyler is up in full swing. Look at him. Everybody's playing game. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hey.
You're missing Luda. Luda not in there though.
Uh-oh. They will leave you out.
That's okay.
All right, you guys. Yes.
One arm.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hello, my love. How are you? Now you get to meet the gorgeous Elaine Thompson. Elaine, this is my friend Andrew. Sophia,
Hey guys, so today was a really amazing day. I got to see my cousin, got to see Sade, my girl that I haven't seen since I'm here. Got to go to dinner with Elaine and Sigrid, which was awesome. They're off tomorrow because they have an early flight to go to the pen release. If you guys are big track and field sports fans, then you guys will know exactly what event I'm talking about that they'll be leaving Jamaica for. And I want to do a quick shout out to that subscriber who recognized us on the road today. Hi girl, and thank you so much for watching, and thanks for recognizing us today on the road. That was really awesome. Thanks to you for watching us.
A very good day, have a very good moment, enjoying vacation here, spending time with the friend that we didn't see, or this friend that we really wanted to spend some more time with. I hope you enjoyed.
Ella is off to bed. He's right here.
He just
Say
have to say
bye-bye.
bye bye.
Bye.
Look. Ready? Mama boy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. He just wants to sleep right now. Alright you guys, so we're going to actually go ahead and end the vlog here because it's late night and Tyler really wants to take his sleep, and we're going to do this. That it was a long day and we're really tired. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye guys.